Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create grid plots in Mathematica. You see here I have created a grid of 3 rows and 3 columns, and I will let you know how to create such grids of plots in Mathematica. You see here I have already generated plots, 4 different plots of certain functions, and I want to create a grid of all these 4 plots. This is quite easy. You can do this in a single line. I use the command graphics grid. Yeah, it's already here. And inside the argument of graphic grids, I generate a list of lists. Then I give the name of the plots. I know the plots. I have plot 1 and then plot 2. These are the name of the plots I have already generated, and I close them. And if I run the command, the Mathematica put them in a row. So this is a grid of 2 plots in a single row. I can generate a number of different columns as well, or in other words, multiple rows, and that I can do by adding another sublist inside the argument of the grid graphics grid command, and that I do plot 3, which is already here. I add plot 3, and then I add plot 4, and I close this sublist. So you see now here I have this sublist and this sublist. So every sublist in fact generates a row of grid, and then the whole sublists are put into another list. So I have a nested list. And if I run this command, you see now Mathematica has generated a grid of 2 rows and 2 columns. If I reduce this, the size, you will see, yeah, now you see all the 4 plots are put into grid. So this way you generate a grid of plots by using the graphic grids in Mathematica, and inside the argument of graphic grids, you generate a list of lists. You can even create another row. For example, let me copy this sublist, and I put this sublist over here. Now I would have a grid of 3 rows. See, now I have the grid of 3 rows. Similarly, if I add another plot, let's say plot 3 over here, I will have 3 plots in the first row. And similarly, I add one over here, plot 1, and I run it. I have now this situation, and I add one more over here, then plot 1 I add over here. So now I have again a grid of plots, 3 columns in 3 rows. So this way you can create any number of rows and any number of columns of a grid of plots in Mathematica, and the whole of this can be done in a single line command. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button. Also hit the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.